Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Despite inflation fears and falling crypto prices, gold rallied yesterday to its highest level since November, achieving its highest level in 3 months. Today, it is consolidating these gains and straddling $1,840. Crude consolidates a 3-day rally which lifted March WTI to almost $86.80. The US dollar trades against all major currencies. Strong employment reports are helping to lift the Australian dollar around 0.4% and make it the leader of the pack. The Nikkei was 1.1% higher after a rebound in tech. European shares opened higher, but the Stoxx 600 was hit by a lack of breadth. After closing yesterday's poor close, US futures are now firm. Asian Pacific market. Japan reported a lower December trade deficit than anticipated. Exports didn't recover as much as anticipated. For the week, the US dollar fell to JPY 114.00. Despite social restrictions, Australia's December employment data was better than anticipated. The overall job growth was close to 65,000 and the unemployment rate fell to 4.2% from 4.6%. The Australian dollar is stable and just shy of $0.7260 after the employment data pushes it to new highs for this week. Market of Europe. The economic news stream has been light. Although the ECB report from last month's meeting will soon be available, it is not a market mover. The December CPI was revised to show an increase of 5.0% year-over-year rather than 4.9%. However, the monthly increase was stable at 0.4%, while the core rate was at 2.6%. The euro trades quietly in a range of less than 30 pip below $1.1370. Sterling is currently coiling. It is within yesterday's range of $1.3575 to $1.3660. Today's retail sales will be dominated by a consolidative tone, which could continue today. This is despite a 1.4% increase in November. Market of America. The U.S. releases weekly jobless claims and the Philadelphia Fed survey. Remember that the Empire State Manufacturing Survey, which was reported earlier in this week, was disappointing, but yesterday's housing start and permits were stronger than expected. Yesterday's headline CPI for Canada in December was 4.8%, compared to 4.7% in November. However, the core measures were stronger. Next week, the Bank of Canada will meet. Tomorrow, Canada will report November retail sales. These are expected to be strong. For the 6th session, the greenback will be trading between CAD 1.2450 to CAD 1.2550. This consolidation phase is following the US dollar's fall from its December 20 high of CAD 1.2965 on December 20. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.